A fire with an estimated damage of $11 million ripped through several containers which were being set up for office purposes. It happened at Henry's Haulage along Marcus Garvey Drive. The fire started sometime after midday. We spoke with Francois Burke, a representative of the haulage company.
The welder was welding up the staircase and a spark sketched some soft material which started a fire.
Okay. And the damage, what lost in the fire?
Mostly service equipment and tools for the chassis and truck. As I said, it was under construction, so we haven't put any furniture. Well, the furniture was in the containers as yet.
Okay. So your estimated loss is about how much?
We can't tell at this time, so we'll have to make some checks with the office to see what's the estimate loss so far.
You recover anything from the damage on the fire?
No, we haven't recovered anything.
Firefighters were able to prevent the fire from spreading to other premises. In other news, the St. Ann police are trying to come to terms with the sudden passing of their colleague, Sergeant Ian Kelly, who was found dead yesterday. Reports are that Sergeant Kelly was discovered unresponsive in his motor car along the Exchange District Main Road in St. Ann with his four-way flasher on. He was found in the driver's seat and was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. It's understood he had a heart condition. One of his colleagues, Corporal Claudette Stuart Elliott, says Sergeant Kelly was dedicated to his job.